Hi, I'm AK and welcome to my channel Artistic K-pop, and let's move on to the video. Recently, EXO's Baekhyun revealed that he will soon be enlisting in army for his mandatory military service. He also said he will be assigned to service as a public service agent and not in the active duty. On that note, many Korean netizens raised a question on why is he assigned as a public service agent and why is he getting a special treatment? Is it because he's a famous celebrity or a member of EXO? On that note, Dispatch recently revealed that Baekhyun is suffering from hypothyroidism and that is why he is assigned as a public service agent. After that, many fans questioned if it is alright to disclose his private medical information by the third party. On that note, Baekhyun himself stepped up to reveal the truth behind it. In his statement, Baekhyun said, "I decided that I should reveal the medical condition despite not having done so until now. Because there are many people that would have asked about why I am serving as a special service worker. There would be many people that are wondering about it, questioning if there was any special treatment or not. When I thought that I have to reveal this, thankfully Dispatch asked about it, so I answered them." In his letter, Baekhyun further talked about the reason he has not revealed about his medical condition up till now. He said if he would have revealed it earlier, then people would have formed a bias against him. If he ever went through a hard time, then people would have assumed that it was because of his medical condition. So he never revealed it. Baekhyun also revealed that his debut with EXO was almost got cancelled because of hypothyroidism, and at the end he said not to worry too much about him to his fans, and said, "Even if my face gets swollen or something in the future, then I hope you guys will think it's cute." And as such, he ends his letter by telling his fans not to worry too much about him. And as for my viewers who don't know what is hypothyroidism, then let me tell you in brief. So hypothyroidism occurs when your thyroid glands produces too much of the hormone thyroxine. Hypothyroidism can accelerate your body's metabolism, causing unintentional weight loss and a rapid or irregular heartbeat. Hypothyroidism is a very common all around the world, and if you talk about India, where I'm from, then there are over 1 million cases of hypothyroidism every year. So Baekhyun was suffering from hypothyroidism even before his debut for over 10 years and still gave us awesome performances without feeling down. On that note, netizens have discovered a past instances in which Baekhyun's medications was captured in one of his past vlogs. In one of his past vlog, Baekhyun was staying overseas in Japan for EXO CBX's Japanese schedule and returns to his hotel room after buying drinks. And then he places those drinks on a countertop where some medicines were also seen. Turns out those medicines are called Synthroid, which is a specific prescription to treat hypothyroidism. Also, in other instances, it was also pointed out that while chatting with fans on Twitter, Baekhyun once said, "I didn't even drink one bottle of water today, but I drink lot of water when I take my medicines." And when fans showed concerns over his comment, then he corrected, "Oh, sorry, I meant vitamins. Sorry I made you worry." And as such, Baekhyun many times hinted about his medical condition, but no one noticed it. Currently, Baekhyun is promoting his solo song Bambi, and this album has already sold over 760,000 copies on the first day of its release. And it is most likely possible that album sales will surpass 1 million copies in the near future. After that, Baekhyun will promote in Super M to release their next single. And after that, he will be enlisting in army for his mandatory military service. And that is all for this video. Tell me your thoughts on this matter in the comment section below, and please care to subscribe to my channel and also click on bell icon for all notifications, and see you in the next video.